Brothers and sisters, I'm going to, you know, there is a word bintun. I have specifically taken this word. Actually, here in this chapter 9, author is again trying to focus more on mansubat, like mansub and nasab and those things. But I specifically picked up this word bintun so that when you will be reading this chapter, you will not be confused. Now, how this bintun is formed? Bint means daughter, right? Bint, you know that bint means daughter. Bintun means daughter or a girl, you can say. So, and what do you say for a son? What do you say for a son? What is the meaning of, in Arabic? Son is ibn. So it is ibnun. That is son. What is the rule in Arabic? If I want to make an ism which is muzakkar, I want to make it muannas. I want to make it muannas. Yes. So what do? I add ta marbuta to that. So what, to make it feminine, that is ibnun means son. And if I want to, let's say, make this into muannas, what I will do? I will say ibnatun. Ibnatun means, to me, ibnatun means daughter. To me, ibnatun means daughter. And this is singular, mufrad. Now, if I want to make its plural, and plural, most of the plurals, feminine plurals, which end with ta marbuta, normally they have jama, they are jama salim, right? So how it will become ibnatun, correct? It will become ibnatun, correct or not, brothers and sisters? I'm just showing you how this bintun word is formed. Okay. So let's say ibnun, I added ta marbuta, it became ibnatun, which is singular. Okay. And its plural, I just put atun. You know this rule very well, jama salim. So it will be ibnatun. It will be ibnatun. But what actually the word used for daughter is bintun. So what they have done, in the Arabic people, what they did is they removed the alif completely. They removed this alif completely. So what is left is ba, noon, and ta. It is ta marbuta, but it is ta. It is the closed ta, you can say. And you can close, it can close and it can open. So it is, when you remove this, so you cannot read it as with the sukoon, so they change it to bintun. Instead of this kasra on alif, they brought it below the ba, so it became bintun. This is how the word bintun is made. This is how the bintun is made. So what do you think the jama of this will be? This bintun means daughter. So what will be the, for the word for daughters? What will be the word? Banatun. Again, it is jama salim. It will be banatun, jama salim. Correct? So now, when I take the word bintun, in the bintun is in the which hala? It is in which status? It is in halatul rafa. Bintun. What will be the nasab form of this? What will be the nasab of bintun? Bintan, very good. And what will be the majroor of bintun? Bintin, very good. Now I will come to Jama. So what is the Jama of Rafa Halat for a daughter, for daughters? Banatun. And what will be the nasab? What will be the nasab? Banatin. Banatin. It will not be Banatan, Sister Nafisun Nisa. Why? Why not? What is the Jama I explained to you in book 1? So nasab will be Atun. For the Jama it will be Atun, Atin, and again for Jar it will be again Atin. Very good. So nasab and Jar will be Banatin, Banatin. Okay. So Jama of daughters will be Banatun, Banatin, Banatin. Okay. So nasab form will also be Banatin. Remember this. Okay, brothers and sisters. So there might be some examples coming in this lesson. So for example, لعل البنات ما حضرنا. La'alla, what is the meaning of la'alla? It can mean different. It can have different meaning, depends on the what is the context and how it is coming. So you can say that maybe here. Here you can say maybe. Yes. Sometimes it may mean hopefully. Okay. So here it will be maybe the girls are not present. Ma hadarna. Hadara means present. Okay. Maybe the girls are not present here. That's what it means. Or however the girls are not present. Okay. لعل البنات ما حضرنا. Okay. Now زرت. So here لعل. What is اسمه لعل? اسمه لعل Banati. So what is the halat of this? Nasab. Okay, so you should not be confused. Banati, you should not say this is jar, it is nasab. Yeah. Because Ismul Allah is always mansoob. Ismul Allah is always mansoob. Okay. Zurtul Banati. Zurtul Banati. What is Zurtu? Zurtul Banati. What is the meaning of Zurtul Banati? We have taken this fail in surf class. I think I took this Zara Yazuru. I think. Yes, I visited. Zurtu. I visited. Zurtul Banati. I visited the daughters. I visited the daughters. So what is daughters here? Maf'ul bihi. It is maf'ul bihi. That's why it is in mansoob. That's why it is mansoob. Ra'aytul abna'a wal banati. Ra'aytul abna'a wal banati. I saw the sons and the daughters. Okay. I saw the sons and the daughters. Ra'aytu, I saw. It is both fail and file. So this is maf'ul bihi. Al abna'a. It is in mansoob state. Al-abna, this is harfu ataf. So this has to be also in mansoob. Al-banati. So ra'aytul abna'a wal banat. Is it okay? There is another thing. There is another kind of fail which is called fail at-ta'ajjubi. In Urdu language, you know, there is a word called ta'ajjub. What is the meaning of ta'ajjub? Those who know Urdu, they can tell me what is the meaning of ta'ajjub. Surprise. Good. It's surprise. So it's fail of surprise, you can say. Fail ta'ajjubi, it's a fail of surprise. So there is a special fail of surprise in Arabic language. And it is always on the wazan of af'ala. It is always on the wazan of af'ala. And it is failul madi. Okay. It always comes with ma. So to express any surprise, failul ta'ajjubi is used and it is always accompanied with ma. Okay. Yes, with an exclamatory mark. Okay. Ma. So here, for example, if I am saying ma ashala, how easy it is. I'm saying how. Ma means here ma is not harf, by the way. Ma is not harfu jar or something. This is ma is istifham. It is ism. Okay. Ma is ism. What? Actually, ma means what here. Okay. But in the normal English, I'll say how easy. Okay. Ma ashala. Sahlun means easy. Ashala, it is based on af'ala wazan. So ma ashala, that's what I would say. How easy. Right? That's how it, that's what it will mean. This is ta'ajjubi, how easy. It's expressing a surprise. So now this fellow ta'ajjubi is only one kind. It cannot be conjugated. So it's wrong to say af'ala, af'ala, af'alu. That's wrong to say. Okay. So this is just one type. Af'ala. Whether it is muzakkar, it is based on af'ala. Muannas, it is based on af'ala. Jama muzakkar, again based on af'ala. Jama muannas, again based on af'ala. Okay. So it is only one kind. And it is always coming with ma. Okay. It's always coming with ma. So jamilun means beautiful. So if I want to say how beautiful or what a beautiful, for example, how beautiful or so beautiful, for example, ma ajmala, very good. Ma ajmal. Qaribun, so near, or how near it is, or like that. Ma aqraba, very good. Kabirun, so big, how big? What a big, something like that. Ma akbara, very good. Saghirun, so small. How small? What a small. Ma asghara. Okay. Ma asghara. Ma ajmala sayyarata. This is again a sentence. It means how beautiful is the car. Ma ajmala sayyarat. How beautiful is the car? How beautiful is the car? Now, what kind of sentence do you think this could be? This is, it starts with ma. So this is, no, this expresses the complete meaning, Sister Sana. How beautiful is the car? So it cannot be a phrase. How beautiful, it's a surprise. How beautiful is the car? Okay. So this is a jumla, definitely. This is a jumla. So when I'm calling it jumla, and it's starting with ma, so this is jumla ismiya. Though this is a fail coming here, but this is coming as a khabar here. Okay, this is coming as a khabar here. So this is fail, and this is maf'ul. That's why it is mansoob, because this is fail. This is failut ta'ajjub. This is failut ta'ajjub. So that's why this is maf'ul here. That's why it is mansoob, as-sayyarata. Okay. Yes, it's exclamatory sentence. You can see, yeah, it's sayyarata. Okay. So this is what you need to know. Okay. I will take some examples. How far is the star? Ma will be the mubtada. How far is the star? Ma ab'adan najma. Ma ab'adan najma. Very good. Ma ab'adan najma. Then, how far are the stars? So far are the stars. Ma ab'adan nujuma. So though we are talking about jama here, but still fi'l ta'ajjub is still ab'ada. It is still ab'ada. How near is the masjid? So near is the masjid. Tell me the full sentences, Naida. Ma aqrabal masjida. Very good. Ma aqrabal masjida. Ma aqrabal masjida. So now let's say, if I say ma atyabaka. Ma atyabaka. Now, what do you think? Atyaba is from tayyibun. Tayyibun means good or better. Okay, atyaba. Tayyibun, from there it is atyaba. How good? Yes. So if I'm referring to the second person, so what I can say is, who is better than you? That's all. So it depends on the context. It's an exclamatory sentence, as you know. So here in the normal English, I'll say, who is better than, who can be better than you? Ma atyabaka. Okay. Ma atyabaka. How easy is this lesson? So easy is this lesson. What an easy lesson is this. Ma ashala. This lesson, I am not saying how easy. Yes. Ma ashala hazad darsa. Ma ashala hazad darsa. Okay. How poor she is, so poor she is. She is. You have to put maf'ul bihi also. You cannot conjugate, sisters, Sana. You cannot say afkarat. There is no conjugation allowed for this, as I mentioned to you. It is just on af'ala wazan. No, she. Now, how will you bring she? No. She. Ma afqaraha. Very good. Ma afqaraha. Ma afqaraha. Understood, brothers and sisters? Okay, so small is the mobile. Mobile in Arabic means al-jawwalu. In mobile phone, in Arabic is called al-jawwalu. Al-jawwalu. Yes, ma azghar al-jawwala. Ma azghar al-jawwala. Good. Now, I'm going to talk about a kind of sentences in which Hamzatul Qata comes, after Hamzatul Qata immediately comes Hamzatul Wasl. So how in Arabic it is expressed. For example, if I want to ask a question, Al-Biharu Jam'ul Bahri. Al-Biharu, Al-Bahru means sea. Al-Bahru means, Bahr means sea. Okay. And the plural of sea is Al-Biharu. The plural of sea is Al-Biharu. It's Jama Taksir. Now, if the question is Al-Biharu Jam'ul Bahri, is Al-Bihar is Jama of Bahr? That's the question. In this question, you have noticed there is Hamzatul Qata, which is istifham, followed by Al-Biharu, and Al-Biharu, there is Al, and in Al always the alif of Al is always Hamzatul Wasl. You know that alif of Al is always Hamzatul Wasl. So when they come together, you don't call Al-Biharu Jam'ul Bahri, rather you say Al-Biharu Jam'ul Bahri. So when Hamzatul Qata and Hamzatul Wasl, they come together, then you put a mud on the alif and you elongate the sound. So you will say Al-Biharu. You will find many examples in Quran. Such examples in Quran. So this question will be mentioned as Al-Biharu Jam'ul Bahri. Okay. Is Al-Bihar plural of Al-Ana? Yes, that is also there in Quran of Al-Bahar. For example, Al-Mudarrisu Qala Laka. What is the meaning of this? Al-Mudarrisu Qala Laka. Did the teacher tell you? Did the teacher told you? Did the teacher talk to you? Right? Okay. Al-Yawma Ra'aytahu. Al-Yawma Ra'aytahu. Ra'aytahu. Yes. Have you seen him today? Did you see him today? Yeah. Okay, so you should know why when there is a mud over the alif, so you know that it is, and there is a istifham there. There is a question there to Hamzatul Qata, and then question is coming. Okay. Now, when Munada comes as Mudaf, this was taught to you in the previous book also, but I'm repeating here. Okay. Oh, there is a time now. Okay, I think I will take a pause here. So we will continue this class tomorrow because it's already 9 o'clock. Inshallah, we will do it tomorrow. Okay, brothers and sisters, see you tomorrow again. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. بارك الله فيك.